If you have this yellow or orange screen issue on the Google Pixel 11 Pro, first you want to go to Settings and choose Display and Touch. Now, in here we have a couple of options which have an impact on the colors on the screen. And usually if it's as orange as right now I have on the screen, then usually you need to go to the comfort filters and you can find the night light. And this is probably the reason why your screen is so yellow or orange. So you can turn this option off. However, keep in mind that if you have the schedule, then of course this option can be reactivated later on. If you still want to use the night light, but you don't want your screen to look as orange, then over here you should be able to adjust the intensity of that filter. We also have the comfort view, which also slightly changes our colors on the screen, so it might look slightly yellowish. So of course you can either adjust the intensity or you can just completely turn it off. And besides that, the third option that has an impact on colors is the adaptive tone, which is another option that you might want to turn off because it might apply warmer or cooler tones. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.